Hello friends, welcome to Web Slideshows video tutorial series. To design interactive slideshows, in the previous video tutorial, we created one HTML document with the name Slideshow. I right click on slideshow.html, open with the notepad. You can see that slideshow.html is open in the notepad and it has the basic HTML document structure code written. Title is set to Interactive Slideshows. I minimize the notepad. I right click on slideshow.html, open with the Google Chrome. You can see that slideshow.html is open in the Chrome and title is set to Interactive Slideshows. We know that HTML is a structural language. It is used to code the structure of a web page. CSS is a presentational language. It is used to code the presentation of a web page. And JavaScript is a behavioral language which is used to add behaviors to HTML elements. As HTML is a structural language, to code the basic structure of interactive slideshows, we take help of HTML. In between the body tag, I am going to create one div. So I say here opening div and closing div. This div is going to work like a wrapper. It is going to wrap all our slides and buttons. We know that each image is considered as a slide. I minimize the notepad, minimize the Chrome. Here at the desktop, I have 7 images. We take help of these 7 images for creating interactive slideshows. These 5 images are going to work like slides and these 2 images are going to work like buttons. So what I do, I go to notepad, in between the div tag, I take help of img tag to embed images. So I say here img src is equal to image0.jpg. I set the width is equal to 100% and height is equal to 500 pixels. Close. I say file, save, go to browser and refresh. You should see image 0 loaded and it is taking the width of 100%, height of 500 pixels. Like that I can load other slides or other images. So what I do here, I'm going to copy this line of code and paste down 4 times. I'm going to paste and I replace the names here, image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You should see 5 images loaded, image 0, image 1, image 2, image 3 and image 4. Now we are going to load other 2 images. As input buttons, I am going to make buttons for them. So what I do, I take help of input tag and I say type equal to image, src is equal to left button dot png. The file format of the left button is png and then I say close. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, at the last you should see left button image loaded, right? Similarly, I load the other image. So I copy this line of code and paste down. This is going to be right button dot png. File, save, go to browser and refresh. You can see the right button is also loaded. Now I'm going to uniquely identify this div by giving an ID of slideshow. This div is now uniquely identified in the page with the name slideshow. We can very easily access this div within the CSS to apply any styles or within the JavaScript to add any behavior. I'm going to group all these 5 images into one class called as slide. We know that each image is considered as one slide. So I say here class is equal to slide. I copy this code from here to here and paste, 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 paste. All of these 5 images are now grouped into one class called as slide. We can access all of these images into CSS with the help of the class attribute value. We can access all of these 5 images in JavaScript to add any behavior with the help of this class attribute value slide. Next, I am going to identify these 2 buttons separately. I am going to identify them uniquely by giving an ID. So here I say ID, this is going to be left button and then this is going to have an ID of right button. Now these 2 elements are also uniquely identified in the page. We have successfully coded the basic structure of the interactive slideshow, friends. In the next video tutorial, we are going to code the presentation of the interactive slideshow. I suggest you people to code up to here. For this video tutorial, I think this much is enough, friends. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.